6-cell LiPo. Rugged plugged in. Power is on. Doot, doot, doot. Ready to rock.
Is it ready to roll?
Ready to rock and roll, baby. The smell of clean rubber and the knowledge of knowing this RC will never, ever be this clean again.
I want to smell it.
The first rip. I'm excited about this release. This is all the upgrades it ever needed right out of the box.
Fast.
It's very fast. Those tires have tons of traction.
Whoa.
Yeah. Okay, this is a brand new track. Let's get it out to the track and see if we can feel some jumps for these guys. Oh, yeah! Yeah! If that's not passion, I don't know what is. So the Extreme Basher, it has flown hundreds of feet today. It's gonna fly hundreds more. Let's go. In 3, 2, launch power. Oh yeah! Woo! So much to play with here. Massive power.
Wow.
That's like the 4th one. Watch this.
Do it again! Again!
Basher, baby. Okay, behind me, a huge cement tube, right? A pipe. Now there's one on the other side. If I don't jump far enough, I'm gonna totally wreck the truck. But I still wanna see how much air we can get off of this. It's a huge kicker. Let's do it.
Okay.
Here we go.
Starts the approach.
One shot, one opportunity. Here we go. Oh yeah!
Easy!
Oh yeah!
Easy!
Almost, but it's supposedly on the super tough front bumper. Let's see if it works. I cannot believe it. I totally nosedived. Look at this, the bumper, nothing broken. Nothing broken! I don't even see a bananaed bottom tray, like everything looks straight still. One more time! Okay, little Arma, it's just you and me. It's time to put on the last show for these guys. Let's give them something big. Let's give them something full throttle. Let's give them something they can talk about. Look at that, perfect landing. I don't want to push my luck, but it's still in one piece. Shall we go again?
Yes!
One more time? Let's do this. This is for you guys. Drop a like, click right now. I'm trying to break this truck for you guys right now. Putting the Extreme Basher to the test. Arma right now. Let's fly high. Here we go. Well, there you go, guys. The Reefs RC Servo still going strong in there. The Arma Kraton EXB took a hell of a beating today. I am super happy with this. I thought for sure, like any other RC, I was going to take it out here, have a broken arm, half a broken C-hub, have a tire ripped out from its bead. Nothing. And it still rips.
Awesome.
I'm impressed.
Me too.
Okay guys, as always, I'll leave helpful links for you in the video description box if you want to go and check out the Arma Kraton EXB. Also to the electronics I put on in the inside if you just want to replicate mine. Until next time,
Hi.
what do we always say?
Get outside.
Enjoy the hobby of RC, my friends. Bye for now. Look baby, isn't it true what they say? It wouldn't be bashing if there wasn't a little blood.
That's what makes it a sport.
I didn't even feel it. That's how you know you're a man. Hey, it's me. I'm back at the shop on my own. I know you're going to want to see whatever is under the hood. I didn't get a chance when I was there, but I know all the really hardcore people want to see how much damage happened to this vehicle. No body cracks. Nothing. Look at this. Let's just unplug the other lead. Look at nothing. No banana shape. No bowing, no broken arms, no broken steering. 100% ready to go back to bashing.